Okay, I'm playing Dragster. Not the Atari 2600 game, though. Don't think I would be able to master that. I am no Todd Rogers. The Elektor TV Games Computer, though, potentially is doable, maybe. If I can figure out the controls, of course. Controls does tend to be the main issue. Okay, what button do I have to push? Or buttons? At the moment, I'm just kind of pushing every button, hoping one of them will do something. Hello? Hold on, does someone say controls in the thing? File 6 Dragster, a game computer with memory expansion is required for this game. Is that an option I have to select? I hope not. That sounds like it would be buried in some settings menu. Um, Select the game variant using the button above start, then press start. Yes, okay. I do not know what start is. What button that is. Part of the screen will now turn red, then orange, and green. At that moment, the race begins. The gears are changed with the control stick. Oh, well, I view the... No? Wait long enough to witness the colors invert? That's not enough to give me the thing. Okay, how do I play this? Controls on keyboard. Space to accelerate. Up plus left is first gear. Down plus left, second gear. Up plus right, third gear. Down plus right. Um, Control J swaps gamepads to play as the red car using the same controls as blue. Okay. I'm holding space. Is my controller? It is keyboard. Okay, it's a okay. A game computer with memory expansion is wired for this game. How do I do that? I didn't expect I would have to be messing with settings here. BIOS? No. Colors doesn't sound like it would be the thing I'd need to do. Don't see anything in emulator. Obviously not filter or graphics. Memory expansion. Probably not input. I mean, it would have to be machine. Hmm. Gonna pause recording until I can maybe figure out this. Okay, I have updated the emulator because there's a few numbers out of date, and I've kind of figured out a way to move. I just gotta use the... Nope, balloon. Man, updating has caused audio to be miserable. Can't really turn it down much more. Maybe this? No. Oh well. Oh, I can go. How do I change gear? Um... Yes, I am unsure how to change gear. I mean, the comment on the game page says up plus left for first. I guess down plus left is what I should be doing if I'm already in first gear. Does it say buttons? Oh, I failed. Stalled. Yeah, makes sense. 1, 2, 3. And of course I can only start moving if I have the trackball for some reason. What game mode, actually? Mode 1. Stall? That was not a stall. Oh, this is gear. Alright. So I want to do 1, 2, 3. Nope. I failed at some point there. Nope, red. Started going too early. Red, yellow, green, start going. Okay, I have to go before it hits that area. Man, this audio really blows, if you will. Bits per sample. Oops, red. That doesn't seem to change anything. Sample rate. Oop. That makes it sound different. Not any better, though. Nope. Eh. Enable speech. Turn down the rate, though. No, it doesn't seem like it's making any difference. And there's only one more before it goes... I guess I'll just turn it silent. No, I won't. I can deal with my ears being annihilated. Oh, I also did get the achievement for waiting long enough to witness the colors invert while trying to set up the game. Gear. Oh, that's 4. Oops. That makes sense. That I keep failing then. I keep going from 2nd to 4th gear. Okay. Going from 2nd straight to 3rd is kind of not the easiest thing to do. Okay, 1st to 2nd gear. 2nd to 3rd gear. 3rd to 4th gear. Easy. Once I figured out all the controls. Oh, yeah, I even got the speedrun achievement. And this sound really makes it hard to think. Oops. Control J. Oops. How do I switch game modes? Oh god. Why did resetting change the tone of this buzzing? Man, there's gotta be some setting. Retune tones? There's gotta be some. Oh, that seems like it crashed the emulator. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Okay, well, reopening the emulator. Ooh. My emulator, or the OBS wasn't capturing the entire thing. Let's see. Open. Oh, nice. It didn't save my settings that I changed. Dragster. Gotta re-sign into RetroAchievements. Never mind. I just had to push the button. I'm just gonna mute the audio. Oops, I went in full screen. How did I do that? How do I undo that? Whatever, I'll just close the game. Alt F for it. No, how do I exit? This sucks. Okay. I need to look up on the internet how to exit full screen now. Okay, I figured it out. I just have to right click. Okay. How do I switch game modes? Oh, red, whatever. F2? Oh, yes, F2 works. Nope, do not quit. Now, on mode 2, I just have to play as the red thing, which means Control J. Okay. There we go, now I'm 4. There's like 8 laps or something. Nope, not that hard. Okay, now it's mode 3 time. Ugh. Control J, since we're going back to the main thing. Oh god, that went so fast. Red, yellow, green. I have to change gears so much faster in this mode. Oh, that was a shorter one. Okay. Man, this audio. Red. Okay, now it's back to the red Dragster. Hello. It was not letting me switch to first gear. Hello. Switch gears. I don't know. I do not know why it's not switching gears anymore. Specifically in two-player mode, it still switches gears into one-player mode. Wait. Okay, well. How do I fix this? I really do not. I'm muting it, like audio. It's not helping at all. Oop, what the heck is that image? Like on blue. That would D, that would die. Switch the thing, please. Switch gears. Switch gears. Hello? It was working correctly in mode 2, was it not? Yes. And then it just doesn't in mode 4. Why not? Okay. I will skip that one for now. Mode 5. Oops, press Control K again instead of Control J. Oops, I went in the red. I'm unmuting the sound. Unfortunately. Why is the gear not switching again? You know, I'll use this opportunity while it's working for some reason to, in two-player mode for some reason to, oh, that went super fast. Okay. I don't know why it's working why it's behaving like it is, but whatever. Okay, this seems like I'm meant to go off of audio, but that seems kind of hard to do. Is there a setting that I can select? Hold on, looking it up online. Okay, I don't see anything online, unfortunately, which, yeah, rather unfortunate, but whatever. I need to, like, put on my headphones fully and turn up the audio myself so that I can try hearing past the white noise. Oh, I was in the wrong gear. Somehow. Well, that's close to what I want. Man, this audio really sucks. I think I switched gears a bit early. Oh, yeah, this is still new PB. Oops. Hopefully this will be good. Barely. I don't think audio helped whatsoever there. Lap 4. I can see if that will work. Nope. Maybe if I boot the game up again. Yep, it well. I don't know for sure. That'll work on. Oh, it will. Okay. Hopefully I can do this then. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it again. This does seem like it'll be easier though than doing it. Oh god, by ear, kind of. Not really though. Hard to do something by ear when your ears are broken. Yep, that's pretty easy. I did not think that was 8 laps, but maybe, I don't know. Mode 6. Oh, I got us. Oh, yep, there we go. Why is it red now? I guess because red won. Okay, red 6. Ooh. I mean, if it's just the same thing, but with the red, hopefully I timed it correctly. Can't imagine it's that much harder than before, if it's just the same thing. Yeah. Okay, and now it's mode 7 and 8 left. What's mode 7? In mode 8, there is no tachometer. 2, 3. Ooh. I can see this being tough. Eight laps. Yeah, I can't see the thing and I have to be careful that it doesn't blow out. This could be rough. Oop, that blew so quickly. Okay. We go again. That blows so quickly. That's actually crazy. Okay, go immediately to... Nope, that's too slow. Or that's too fast somehow. Hold for like a second. Nope, that... I don't believe you. That... There's no way that that's accurate to what is happening. Like, you cannot blow that quickly. Oops, that was unintentional. That, it's not... I literally got to 4th gear earlier. It was not this tight earlier when I did it. What the heck just happened? You know what? I'm reloading the game. Okay, I can do this. That's not accurate to what happens. It is not... The engine does not blow that quickly. And if it does, then you need to get a new vehicle. Okay. It blew up around 6 last time. It's around like 4 or 5 I should start. 4? It blew at 4? Okay. Switch immediately, switch immediately. Switch it very quickly. And now I can hold for a tiny bit. And about now I should start holding, or only like tapping the go button. There we go. That's a bit on the harder side of the set. And now, oops, I keep pressing Control K instead of Control J. Now it's the final race. Same as the last though. Go until like 3 or something before I start. Only tapping on the accelerate pedal. Easy. Okay. That's a bit of a tough set. Well, it's not a tough set. Mainly, it took me forever to get the game working. Probably the most annoying set I've had to deal with in terms of getting it to play. Normally, once I get an emulator or a console working, it just generally works for other consoles. I mean, their games on the console don't generally have to mess with settings beyond that, but in this case I did. Other than that, it was fun, I suppose. But a bit soured by the constant settings stuff and the audio issues. But I mean, oh, that's, yeah, well, set itself was fun.